hak jinglaj banwat ya ki samla puli ka ke baki dan ban ang halor ka reservation policy ka badai ka wei na ki mat ka penki shisha ya ki hak jingya lenti jong shulong mil ukurwa ka atyar ula yo banya kendo ya ki kattu kat ningot ki samla na ki skol bat ki college ki balakran ya ka baki syam bat ki lasaki nakaliang ka kunhun usulong mil ukurwa ka atyar hakani ka khubor kam kwa ban pen i ka dur kmat jongki ni ki samla ni wat ban pen paru ya ka kerteng jongki henry ka kwa ban penyo sngo shaki pat ba ya ka jingkran jongki ka bala ban long kum ka jingkran ban pen kinet ban rio ya ki tu ki baju than ha ka suk da ka basu thiet da ka pisa ya ka kam ka badai ban don da ka jingya le ni ki examen ni ki interview
hawa kalam sepanggani ke reservation policy bonsen ki kia tok lagi MLA nong i nama ki wera chong hapo ke politics iki ki bam ngira bisa ma wan ibru na bar iki ibru na bar em gya bisa spa ka phau hau yo ki spa ka phau non tebon ki be ya bisa no ar perkhat gere gitu duk ki ya nga kemu ong pa nga kamnu wan ngini dep election ma kamnu wan hi yung yong i tong họ cái pizza cam te vot changa vot nga upa cam nu ông kiểu họ imam cam ya te pizza te kadwa i pila pio cam pio jam tang ikon ni de biang tang im jai ma te boni ka te unni i wa lai te beja cha perdi surok dep graduate dep ule kadwa em le dep ka PhD le kate le myo khi myo khan ma iki bah itet nong em na jorong ha em gini jorong lo tetet yo gi control de ki ma i kwai control de i le mje iki ki de em ga power ha ba te poi cha power no power bai ikni power te poi bisa power bisa power pesa power bisa poisa power money ma linne madang date bisa tene power ne mau berubah bisa sudah ma ubah mu te power sudah ma ayo apa ibu nong klem jam we can only encourage our people to do their best we cannot force them into doing what they cannot do, and if they are already doing their best like interview and they are capable but what we see under the table under the table what do you mean by under the table support chuki ma chom you that ekublikti nong po table e bisa namo kada e gila qualification kate ki im kam ne I ki lai pura we didn't come here to study, we came to learn big difference what we learn you were the TV what we have learned, we try to make a living out of what we learn, not what we study. So this concept of studying and learning is a big issue for them because they don't know. Kim tip gi, what is learning ma? Ki em kam gi nong kre, em kam gi nong kre, hawa yok gi nong kre nuan, wajiu thit ya ka kre, tade yok wa kre, utu watip nuan kre, arjiu thit terio ma
nasngo ba kani ka policy I feel ba kini ki youths there was one of my friend so he's applying a job in this police department recently la yo kani ka list so basically he was like one of the hardworking student he is very devoted for this job ila amare bha ila ya bha shakhman but then due to this reservation policy I feel like kanika kam ka bai ide ban yo like I feel like it's lacking behind the garos are leading their own way so like I feel this friend of mine like he needs to come forward for this job right this akawairu asngo ba kanika kam ka bamenta kam pulit especially I feel like kila nanong kumno kila mostly kila thong be da kapisate so I feel nang shoban ong hiki bari ban yo ro kim yo so I feel sad for that I feel sad for my friend so due to this reservation policy te bakadan menta asngo kam biang ken kam so ya hap